Philippians 4:6, sabi po dito, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your request to God." Hello, Wisdom Church of Manila. I am Jo, and I am 29 years old. I am married to my husband, Ace Umali, and we have been married for 5 years already. I just want to share with you the goodness of God itong umpisa pa lang ng 2025. All of us experienced a lot of bonuses and blessings ng December. And came here, January 2025 was the first time na ibinigay namin yung tithes namin na na-accumulate namin noong December. At nung first Sunday service natin, sobrang amazed na amazed kami dahil with all the blessings that we received, sobrang laki nung tithes na ipon namin para ibigay sa church or i-return kay Lord. On that first Sunday, I was sitting sa likuran ng ating auditorium and I was sitting beside Ate Tanya. Sabi ko, "Ate Tanya, can you just agree with me? May ide-declare lang ako." Hindi niya alam kung ano yung laman ng tithes envelope namin. Pero sabi ko doon, "Lord, this is so good and I just want to declare and decree." Dinideclare ko ngayon 2025 na yung laman ng tithes and offering envelope namin ay hinding-hindi na bababa sa amount na nandito sa envelope na ito. So, nag-agree si Ate Tanya sa akin without knowing the context, but I know she agreed with me with the level of faith na meron siya. By the beginning of the year, we receive an instruction from the Lord. Sabi niya, lahat ng gusto namin ma-experience sa buhay namin, it is already provided. But we need to work on something, which is our spiritual discipline. Nagtumit kami ng asawa ko, umpisa pa lang ng January, that's January 1, we committed to a 21 prayer night together. So we were praying in tongues. At during the prayer and fasting, God has a specific instruction for me. Sabi niya, this is what you're gonna do on the following days. In the morning, you are just going to wake up praising me. Yun lang. Praise me in the morning. In the lunchtime, you will take that opportunity para magbasa ng Bible. At sa gabi, yun yung time ninyo mag-asawa to pray in tongues for 30 minutes. So for January, yun po yung ginagawa ko. Then, after doing that, I received this instruction from the Lord to apply for a VA job kay Franco in High Tribe. And I know that that job is for me. 1 week after that, I was so surprised na bakit wala pa akong kliyente at hindi pa ako na-hired. Dahil alam ko na binigay yun sa akin ni Lord at may instruction si Lord sa akin doon. Binalikan ko si Lord during our prayer night. I really seeked the Lord and asked Him, what's wrong? Is there something wrong that's holding back my breakthrough? Ni-reveal ni Holy Spirit that I actually had a foolish declaration. Ni-remind niya ako na nagkaroon pala ako maling declaration na hindi na ako magiging employed because of a wrong idea na kaya ko lang mag-earn ng mas malaki or marireceive lang namin yung breakthrough sa buhay namin if I became a businesswoman. That night, I repented to the Lord at sabi ko, Lord, I'm sorry because I limited your ways of giving my breakthroughs, of providing for our family. And true enough, the next day, nagpa-interview ako ulit for another VA job. At the next day after that, I already received my client. It's so good na after the month of January, when we put together all our income and the tithes that we actually set aside, more than pa siya dun sa tithes na na-collect namin noong December. It's actually times 4 of the previous income that we received. With that, I just want to encourage you. First is that you gotta find someone to agree with you, someone who has the same level of faith, who will believe in what you are believing for. And second, really the power of giving, praising, and thanksgiving to the Lord. Regardless of what you're asking, just giving glory and praises sa pangalan niya. At third is the power of our tongue. We have to make sure that the only thing that comes out of our mouth are the things that we want to experience in our lives. Thank you so much, and I hope that you get encouraged with this story. And I want to invite you here in Wisdom Church of Manila every 2 p.m. on Sunday. See you!